Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota's Pledge to Listen. Tonight, we are so honored to be here with Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota. They have made, from the top down and from the bottom up, a pledge to listen to the voices of Black and Brown, other marginalized people. And that's why you're here tonight, to share your voices, to share your stories. Because not every insurer wants to hear the unvarnished truth from a bunch of people of color.
I'm really glad to be here tonight. Conversations are always wonderful. Everybody's voice should be heard. And I think in the communities of color, we're really struggling.
The implicit and explicit bias within the medical system and how that impacts your everyday experience when receiving treatment from a medical provider, how it's not just the interpersonal interaction, but it's also the systemic reality.
When we go to the doctor, we don't have interpreters available.
Something that was really interesting was thinking about what healthcare would look like if doctors worked with a team of social workers and caseworkers and healing workers, and they were all working together to provide the best care for someone.
Any organization that is engaged in healthcare should not have diversity and inclusion walled off to one area. It should be a part of the entire organization.
We need healthcare to be culturally competent. There are so many barriers blocking marginalized people.
There's a lot of cultural barriers and the language barriers.
And we can't eliminate health inequities unless we firmly and substantively stamp out systemic racism and that we recognize our differences, every difference.
It would be great, Marnita, if we could keep this group together because we're fired up.
This is how we build community, people, but it's more than that. This is how we build a movement.
I really appreciated how candid and trusting people were with the stories that are really close to their hearts.
It really makes me hopeful that individuals are coming together collectively, hearing each other at the professional level, gives me hope that there is definitely change for a better future.